Atria and welcome back to my YouTube channel AFS Vlog. Today right now I'm at Silver's Beach. We have started from Decathlon Atria on a cycle. Yes guys, after a long time I'm back on saddle. Almost I woke up at 5:30 and I'm shooting from GI 900. It's thanks to Decathlon, they have given me GI 900 for shooting. I'm shooting at 1080 at 60 FPS. GI 900, sorry for disturbance. And when you use 4K image stabilization go off automatically, you can't use image stabilization. That's about the camera. You can buy if you like it. You can if you like the quality, I will leave link in the description. I'll get back to ride. So we started from Decathlon Atria from 5:30 AM and right now we are at Silver's Beach. So we thought we'll complete in 1 hour from Decathlon Atria to Silver's Beach because it is 26 kilometers approximately. But since we have lost one of our guy in between in the ride, so we had to wait 20 minutes there. And coming here is a good experience because after a long time, I would say after a long time I'm coming on the cycle. So thanks to Decathlon again because they have provided me cycle even. It's a between Triban 100 which they have provided me. It's a super bike guys if you want to use it for normal roads because I've used it for 26 kilometers. I don't feel I'm tiring. Even you can see I'm not sweating even. So it's never happened with different bikes. So thank you so much Decathlon. So we'll get back to Decathlon again. It's again 26.5 kilometers and we'll conduct a workshop there. So see you there.
You're my music, but you tear me to pieces. So where does it come from? Scene that keeps playing on repeat, ignores the rule.
The guy in front of you right now is the leader of this group. His name is Jason Mendonça. Okay, and he's a beast. He almost rode like an average speed of 24.5 on a cycle. That's a good speed, but it's a normal for him. And he rides. What is the speed normally you ride? Average, Mendonça?
27 to 32.
And trust me guys, this is very high speed if you compare to cycle. So thanks to Jason Mendonça who conducted a ride and we came
So where does it come from? Scene that keeps playing on repeat, ignores the rule of thumb. Oh, where does it come from? Oh, where does it come from? All your emotions with your heart on your sleeve, it won't fade until...
So every Sunday at 5:30 AM you can join Decathlon Atria Community Ride. It is free of cost. They are taking, they are exploring different places. They will take you along with you, but only terms and condition you have to get your cycle and helmet. Helmet is compulsory because Decathlon take care for the safety, and we also being a responsible citizen, we have to also take care for our own safety. So that's it guys for today. I hope, and I'm sure, actually I'm not hoping that, I am sure that I will upload more vlogs like this. My vlogs will be more like on bikes and cycle. So see you then, take care, keep exploring and keep...
Cause I need you to play on, yeah. where I